Alright, so hey everyone, in this video I'll show you step by step how to create custom field in ClickUp. Alright, so what is custom field? A feature that helps you add extra information to your tasks and organize your work much better. Examples of custom fields like due dates, status, priority, budget, URLs, ratings, drop down menus. Now let's get to the video. Alright, how you can create custom field? Just go on your space and click on this plus icon on the right side. Now here, as you can see, you have different options: drop down, text, date, labels, checkbox, money, website, formula, people, email, phone, category. So all these are custom fields. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a checkbox custom field to my task. Just click on it, give it a name like custom checkbox. Click on create. As you can see, I've created a custom checkbox field. So as you can see, I can use it properly. Now, if you want to hide these custom field after you have created, just click on this setting icon on top. Click on customize, and here go to fields. And as you can see, these are custom fields created by me. Just turn it off, and the custom field will be disabled. If you want to add pre-made custom field, go again on customize, click on fields, and as you can see here are different type of custom fields already provided by the ClickUp. So date created, date done, okay, start date, custom checkbox, status, okay, comments. Now as you can see, these are fields provided by the ClickUp. You can add some comment in it. You can add start date here, date done. It will be filled automatically. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's how you can create custom field in ClickUp. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.